In this video, I'll show you a simple, easy, and powerful binary option strategy that you can use right after watching this video. So watch this video till the end. And as I say in all of my video, no matter whichever strategy you learn, either from me or from someone else, please do test that strategy properly in the demo account first. Don't be like just you learn a strategy and directly implemented it in a real account. Don't do that. Never do that, okay? Because it may make you suffer use loss. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to smash that like button below this video. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. So to use this strategy, what you need to do is, firstly, this is not a Japanese candlestick, okay? Don't be confused. This candlestick is called Heiken Ashi, and we are going to use the Heiken Ashi candlestick to trade binary options. So now firstly what you need to do is just go to this candlestick pattern, okay, and then select Heiken Ashi. So if you select the Japanese candlestick, it will look like this. But if you select the Heiken Ashi candlestick, then it will look like this, okay. Now what Heiken Ashi candlestick does is it reduces the noise. As you can see in the chart, okay, whenever the market is going up, it will clearly show that market is going up without showing any red candles in the middle, okay. And whenever the market is falling down, then it will show you clearly if the market is falling down, okay. So what this does is it will give us a clear indication on which direction we need to make a trade, and I'll show you exactly how you need to make a trade. So keep watching this video. So before showing you the strategy, I want to announce something. So the platform that I am using to make these trades it's called Olymp trade. And if you want to get 50% first time deposit bonus and other bonuses regularly in your account on Olymp trade, then use the link that I have given in the description of this YouTube video. Click on it and create an account, and you will be eligible to get a 50% bonus, deposit bonus, and then further you will also get other bonuses in the platform while you keep on trading with the platform. So now let's talk about the strategy. So I'll show you in this candlestick chat pattern, okay. So all of these candlestick are of 1 minute, okay. So as you can see here, 1 minute, okay, and the duration of the trade would be 1 minute, okay. And here you can put your investment amount. And then what you need to understand is whenever the market is in real time, okay, forming this kind of candle, so it became red, and it consolidated a little bit and it started to move up. So whenever you see this kind of pattern, like if it is moving up, okay, or if it has started to fall down, that time if it has started to fall down, make trade by clicking on lower. And whenever the market has started to move up, make trade on higher. In each of these kind of pattern, make one trade, okay. So whenever it is falling down, make one trade in lower, and if it is going above, then make trade on higher. Now you can see here. So if it was falling here and you made a trade on lower, you made a profit. And if it is going up and you made a trade on higher, you may suffer loss at these kind of candles, okay. And this kind of pattern you will find in lots of places. So in that case, you need a money management strategy. So my money management strategy is extremely simple. Firstly, you invest $100. For example, you can invest $1, $10, whatever amount you want to invest. Firstly, you can invest, okay. And you made a loss, then you invest $30, okay. And if you made a profit on that $30, then again another trade would be of $10, okay. And let's say again you made a loss of $10, then you can again trade with $30. And if you again made loss with $30, you can trade on $90. And if you make loss on $90, then stop trading for that day, okay. And your total loss would be $130. And you need to target a profit of $260, okay, by repeating the process 130 90, okay. So if you are making profit on $10, keep on trading on $10 only, okay. And if you made a loss on $10 and you invest $30, you made a loss in $30, okay. And again you made an investment of $90, and let's say you profited in this trade, then what happens is all of your previous loss will be covered, okay. Of that $10, $30, it will cover that loss, okay. And then again you start to trade with $10. So just test this money management strategy in demo account, you will understand fully, okay. And then always target the profit of $260, because you are risking $130 to make profit of $260. That means you are your risk to reward ratio is going to be 1:2. And in that way, if you made a loss 2 days in a row, like today you lost $130, next day you lost $130, and in third day you made $260 profit, then all of the 2 days loss will be covered. In this way, if you start to trade with this money management strategy and this Heiken Ashi strategy, then in long run you are definitely going to make good amount of profit. So I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.